Welcome to this Quad Pro support video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a works order. From the home screen, go to the works order menu on the left hand side. And here you'll be displayed with a list of all current works orders which are active and complete within your site. At present, R1 is empty because it is the beginning of the new financial year. However, this list is usually populated with all of your works orders. To create a new works order, head to the Add button and click it. You will then be displayed with a form where you enter all the information about this works order. The first tab is the General tab. This is where you enter the description and you select the budgets and who's created it, along with the location and the contractor which is dealing with this works order. The next tab is the estimates and payments. Here is where you enter all of the items which you will be purchasing with this works order, and then you'll also be entering the payments which you will be activating once this works order has been issued. The next tab is the Notes tab. Here you can enter any information which you deem relevant to be put with this works order. And then you have the Documents tab, where any documents relative to this works order can be stored. So let's go back to the General tab and go through the process of creating a works order. Firstly, we need to select a main budget and a sub budget. A warning will then pop up telling you how much is left in this sub budget and whether you want to proceed. The order date is automatically entered as today's date, and the issue date will then populate once you issue the works order. From the drop down list, select who is creating this, and in the priority you can choose how urgent or non-urgent this works order is. So we will go with a 7 days one. In the description we just need to put what is needed to be done for this works order. So we'll just order a new table. And now we need to choose where this is located. This will automatically populate in the field below called location, and then this will populate the location field on the form when it is printed. Should the space contain a risk, it will then tick this box automatically, and the inspection reference will appear below. If there are any risks associated with completing this works order, then the contractor and the operative will need to be made aware, and they can be chosen from the RAMS list. So this works order will not require any risks, so we will just leave that as it is. And we'll then need to choose a contractor. In the From field, you can put the name of the person who will be dealing with this works order, which will be myself. And if there are any instructions or health and safety considerations, then they can be inputted in the field to the right of the contacts area. And now we can generate the works order number by selecting the Save button at the bottom, and this will populate the number at the top right hand side of the screen. In the Details area, if there is any works order associated with this, it will then be put in this field here, and the field below will then display the estimated costs which have been inputted into the estimates and payments section. And the start date and finish date will automatically fill when the works order has been completed. Should this works order be associated with a job request or a project, these two fields here, call ref and project ref, will then be populated with the relevant ID number of those job requests and projects. And if you have a specific purchase order number to enter, you can enter it in the field here. And now we need to enter the estimates and payments for this works order. So these are the items that we will be purchasing from this works order. These can range from building materials to furniture items or to actual labour in hours from a contractor. So to add a new item, press add and then double click on the new row. This will bring up a form which you enter the information about that item. In this field here, we'll put the name. And below we put the quantity. In the unit we choose what type of unit it is. And the rate. Now we press save to confirm the item. If you wish to change it, you can just go back into the item itself and change it as we have just done there. Now, if you wish to issue this works order, go up to the top and press issue and select issue order. You can then select PGS maintenance and press OK. Should you have our email to supplier module, you can tick this box here and an email will automatically be sent from this works order to the supplier who is associated with this works order. Press OK to continue printing the works order. And a warning marker will now come up saying the order has been issued. Now once this has been issued, you will then need to start inputting the payments for this works order. So head back to the estimates and payments column and press add on the second table. Here it is similar to the above table, and all you need to do is choose the type of payment, so this would be a first one, and the invoice number, along with the date that it has been paid, and the amount. You can also link these to Sage, and that will be outlined in a different video by one of my colleagues. Once you have entered all the information for this payment, press save, and that will now show you that you have paid £400 of this £500 works order. To add another payment, you simply do the same. Once you have entered the final payment, you can now press completed, and that will mark the works order in the system as completed,